Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Divine Creations. Today we are going to transform a small living room with some affordable upgrades. So the old theme was peach. We have dark brown seats, peach and cream. That's why we put in some peach throw pillows. So we had of different colors, but the main theme was peach. Also take note, on this curtain we have only a single rod. The shears was held by a curtain line, but we're going to transform that into a double rod.
I will be the best.
We start with choosing the fabric. We thought of a yellow theme, so we came to this fabric shop because it has got different patterns, different colors, different textures. Let's sample some of them. This is a silver curtain, very good, a gold one. We have carpets, rugs. We also have curtain rods, different sizes. All these are curtains, different prices. Wow, look at this yellow one. It's a good one. Nice. It remind you of cardboard copy paper, but it's a curtain.
I will be the best.
So I took the fabric back home to stitch the curtains. I wanted to do most of the things myself because this is a DIY project, so I stitched them, but I took them to have the holes punched. Don't have that tool. And also I bought the ring curtains. I bought the rings, they were fixed once the holes were made. We were able to get colors that match the curtains. So now I'm making the throw covers. My throw covers measures 18 by 18. I bought a 1 meter material and I was able to get 6 throw pillow covers. Okay, I'm not attaching the zipper to the fabric.
I will be the best. I will be the best. I will be the best. I will be the best.
So our pillow covers is all stretched and ready. So one down, 5 to go. Tell us in the comment below how it turned out to be. And also, if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. And now to the final upgrade of the room. We are changing the curtains, we are changing the throw pillow covers, and any other thing
The priest explains that men are poisons that have no antidote.
that we'll be able to add.
They give women false hope. Men will trick women with their words, and when women are pregnant with their child.
We have the wall art there on the wall. This is also one of our DIY. it's one of the videos. You want to watch it, you can watch it. It's an easy DIY project.
Sanzang and his discipline were sentenced to death. However, the king said she wanted to interrogate them before the execution was carried out. Wukong could fought back and attacked all, but his teacher advised him not to use violence. Wukong finally gave up and received his strength and his disciples to a safe place to get them out of the kingdom as soon as possible. The executions were carried out by pointing arrows. Unexpectedly, they managed to find the missing piece of prophecy at the cave. It turned out that the prophecy piece was alive and moved. After chasing the prophecy for a long time, Wukong finally caught it. The prophecy said that the only way to get out of the all-female kingdom is when someone understands the meaning of love. Sanzang revealed that he did not understand what the prophecy meant. However, one of the soldiers interrupted and said she had heard of a love story in the all-female kingdom. Once upon a time, a woman was very curious about life outside the all-female kingdom. Mysteriously, the girl was in a relationship with a river demon outside the door. Unfortunately, it is not known how their love story ended. While one of the soldiers was still talking, suddenly Wu Jing and Beatty screamed in pain, as did Sanzang. The stomachs of the three of them suddenly swelled up like pregnant people. It turned out that during the chase of the pieces of the prophecy earlier, Sanzang and Wu Jing entered the pool of mother and child water. Zhu Beiji didn't go into the water, but he got splashed by the water and swallowed. Unexpectedly, whoever swallowed the water from the mother and child pool would automatically become pregnant. He would find a solution. The process of getting pregnant to be reversed only took 9 days. All three of them were pregnant. But one of the soldiers said that the all-female kingdom also has four.
So this is our final reveal. You can see the whole art, the curtains, the wall clock, they blended in together. And also this curtain rod I told you earlier, it was a single rod. I was able to do it into a double rod. I don't have the video, it's my son who did it. And we also have this other wall art. They are all in my videos, previous videos. If you want to watch and make them, you can do so. Very inexpensive. In fact, most materials are just freely available. So tell me which theme do you like, the peach one or this yellow one? Drop a comment and tell me. Thank you for watching.